some peanut porridge. That have a shell too. This is the peanut for the peanut porridge. Get ready for the peanut porridge. Some oatmeal. And blend up everything. For the peanut porridge, I'll put some water in the pot, add on the salt, and we're gonna add some cinnamon leaf, spice it up a little bit. I'm taking out all the spices, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick. Here we put the spices from Jamaica. All different kind of spices we have in here. Oh, I got some orange peel. Peel the orange and let it dry, and you can use that as a spice also. Wash everything off. Add to the pot. Cover up and let it boil. So stay tuned, guys. Show you the next step. Yeah, guys. So we're about to pour everything in the pot. Well, not pour everything, but the peanut blend up with the oatmeal. This is the peanut porridge. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you the next step. it up now, guys, with some sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, almond extract. You see, you don't need a lot. And that's some nutmeg. I love the spices, you know, we like to spice it up. With the sea salt. So it's half a can, so well, not half, but some milk in there, so we just open up the can to get the rest of the milk. That's inside there. So that's some sweet condensed milk. We have to open up another can of condensed milk. Stir it up. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you. Once you put it in the bowl, I'm going to break up some crackers and enjoy my peanut porridge. Stay tuned. So I got the cream crackers. I got my bowl of porridge. Got a bowl of porridge. I'm about to break up the crackers in there so I can enjoy it. So stay tuned. So guys, there it goes. Break up the crackers. Now the peanut porridge. Now this one is finished. So I'm gonna open up a new pack. Okay guys, time to test it out. It's good, delicious, creamy, nice, flavorful. Yeah. So guys, I'm about to go enjoy my porridge. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so when I do put up a video, you guys will get notified. I see you guys in the next one. I'm out.